Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to discuss about some words, their meanings, definition, whether they are a verb, adjective, or noun, and how to make them in sentences, how to develop their meanings in sentences. So let's get started. The first one is acquiesce. It's a verb, and the meanings are to accept something without protest. I have acquiesced the call of Almighty. The next one is accountable. It's an adjective, and the meanings are misdoings. He is mentally ill and cannot be held responsible for his actions. Next, abominable. It's an adjective, very bad, unpleasant, or disgusting. He has committed an abominable crime. Next, abashed. It's an adjective, feeling embarrassed and ashamed. His boss's criticism left him rather abashed. Next, appall. It's a verb meaning disgust deeply. The report of newspaper about starving children appalled me. Pinch. It's a verb, something in very small quantity, like sugar or salt. Please put just a pinch of sugar in my tea. Subside is a verb meaning to become less violent. The storm began to subside. Sway, verb meaning control. Feel under the sway of Almighty. Dawn, it's a noun, something appear to you. It finally dawned on me that I got a new life. Paradigm, it's a noun, example for others to copy. Our teacher is a paradigm for us. Next, boondocks, an area far away from cities or towns. He lives way out in the boondocks. Harp, verb, to talk repeatedly about something in a boring, annoyed way. Sentence, she always harping on about how badly paid she is. Revere, it's a verb, to feel deep respect or admiration for somebody, something. A teacher revered by generations of students. Next, altruism, noun, meaning concern for the needs and feelings of other people above one's own. Assent is a verb, to express agreement, to give permission. I suggested we shared the cost of lunch, and he eventually assented.